Vacation tips in fishing. When summertime comes and salmon are starting to run, many people who like fishing visit Alaska. Tourists tend to know when the salmon run starts. This may not be on purpose, but they do know the best place to catch salmon is in Alaska. Alaska's waters make their tourists get the Alaska Fishing Guide and provide the tourists the best spots in Alaska for fishing. First, you have to know what kind of fish you want to catch. You can choose from different varieties of fishes like silver salmon, Arctic char, steelhead, Alaska king salmon, rainbow trout, or any other fish. The Arctic, Southwest, South Central, Southeast and the interior are the 5 known geographical places in Alaska. These are the sites where you can maximize your fishing expedition. You have to hire a fishing guide since you do not know the area. They may give the best spots for you and accompany you to your fishing. Here are some things you may want to ask from your guide. 1. You have to know how long they have been doing their work in Alaska. It is good if they have been staying there for a long time already. The reason is that they have much knowledge about the different yearly cycles of Alaska. 2. Be aware of the time you will spend during the trip. Also, make note of the time that you will need during the actual fishing. The amount that you will pay your guide might only be consumed on the time of the boat ride rather than the fishing itself. 3. Ask how much a particular guide would cost, because they have different rates depending on their skills, experiences and length of stay in their job. A guide that would cost cheaper than the average rate of the other guides might not have enough experience and skills. 4. It is recommended that you have your references. This will help you narrow down your choices in selecting a fishing guide. Most people who have been there are willing to share about how satisfied they were during the fishing vacation. They can also give you some advice on what you need to do during the adventure. 5. Remember, this is a chance for you to ask about particular issues that concern you. Do not hesitate to gather information from your guide. By this time, you should be able to have your final choice for your Alaska fishing guide that will be perfect for your plans and make the most out of your trip in Alaska.